Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So if you are new to my page, you probably have not been a part of the auction and sale that I have had before. So this weekend, so this Saturday and Sunday, I will be having an auction on Saturday and Sunday, plus offering up other things for sales. So the sales will be huge, so make sure to pay attention. And how the auctions work is that I will be posting certain items. And then I will be telling you guys, bidding starts at $2. The bid end time will be 10 p.m. on Sunday. So then if you are interested in that item, then you would comment $2 because that's how much the bidding starts at. And then if somebody else is interested, then they would comment $3, and that's just kind of how the auction works. And the highest person who places the highest bid by 10 p.m. on Sunday, because 10 p.m. Sunday is the bid end time, they will win that product for the price that they have. So even if somebody bids a higher price, let's say for 10:05 p.m., they will not win it because the bid end time is 10 p.m. So pay attention to those items that you really, really want, because it will be great prices, trust me. And I do only have limited quantities. So that's why I will be doing certain auctions. And for the sale prices, so same thing. I will be having a huge sale as well, so pay attention. So some of these products will be half off. And I can do that because typically when I throw an Epicure party for somebody, especially online, sometimes the host doesn't want all of their host half off items. So if they don't, then I can actually take it, from them since they don't want it, and then I can sell it at half off. So they are amazing sales, Pay attention, you will love it. I have a lot of my stuff actually across the room, but some of the items will be this insulated food jar, which we don't offer anymore. So amazing. And our fresh cheese maker, which is normally $40. This will be a huge sale at auction, and the cheese maker won't be available anymore either. So this is amazing. If you like cheese, which I'm sure we all do, and if you're trying to eat healthy, this is a great way to start, because being able to make your own cheese adds a lot of yumminess, for lack of a better word, to almost anything. Salads, dips, anything in a much healthier way. So stay tuned for the cheese maker. This ceramic knife, which trust me, you guys have to have. This is the best knife I've ever tried, and it's not crazy expensive either. So stay tuned for this at auction as well. The tortilla press, which I know you all want, the tortilla press. So I have a lot of things, okay, you guys? A lot of it's kind of across the room, but I just kind of took those out of the box to kind of give you guys an idea. And just to let you guys know too, so if you're able to pick up from me, it's a lot cheaper, yes, but if you need to have it shipped to you, that is okay. Having it shipped to you is about an extra $10 charge. So the more you order, it is only $10 for shipping, okay? So it's amazing. So if you order one thing, it's going to be $10 to ship it to you. If you order 10 things, it's going to be $10 to ship it to you. So it makes sense to order a lot if you want, but it just makes sense because that's the cost that it costs me to ship something out. So I hope that that's okay, but that's still a great deal because Epicure, when they charge shipping, they charge by weight. So it's actually better to have it shipped through me, because what I ship out to you is a lot cheaper than in some cases having it shipped from the company. So since I will be offering these amazing sales and deals at the auction and the sale this weekend, pay attention, because it's the perfect time to get some holiday presents. If you're looking for your kids' teachers, for the mailman, for the bus driver, it's a great time, and it's going to be December 8th and 9th. So you will have everything by Christmas time. So you want to plan early, right? So yeah, you guys, I just thought that I would hop on to give you guys some info on that. And if you're new to this too, I do accept payment by email money transfer. So just, that's the easiest thing to do, I think. But I can help you guys with that afterwards. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and feel free to let people know about this amazing sale, amazing auction. I'm excited. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys this weekend.